Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you how to start meditation. Okay, this meditation I learned when I wanted to meditate at very first time, maybe like almost 15 years back. This is one of the easiest method of starting meditation. Okay, that means there should be some instructor in this meditation. Okay, now let us start meditating. Just put earphones connected to your smartphone. Listen to my instruction and just follow my instruction one by one. Do this repeatedly for 30 days. You can see result. Do this repeatedly for 30 days. Daily you should do this. You can do this in the early morning. After getting up, you can do this. Okay, let us start. Close your ears. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Sit erect. Just keep your backbone straight. Keep your hands. Okay. Keep your legs folded. We'll say Samanakal, Chaplangat. Okay. Keep your legs folded. Keep your hands in your thighs. Sit relaxed. Calm. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Slowly. Breathe out. Slowly, slowly. Take a deep breath in. Slowly. Breathe out slowly. Hold it for a moment. Okay, when you breathe in, hold it for a moment. Then when you breathe out, hold it for a moment. Slowly you do 5 times. So 3 times over. Let us do the 4th time. Okay, take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. Now follow my instruction. Follow my instruction. Concentrate on your head, skull. Concentrate on your skull. Your skull is good. Your head is perfect. Concentrate on your forehead. Your forehead is good. Your forehead is perfect. Concentrate in your eyes. Your eyes are good. Perfect. Concentrate on your nose. Working properly. Perfect. Concentrate on your ears. Yes, working perfectly. Concentrate on your mouth. Yes, working perfectly. Concentrate on your shoulders. Right shoulder, left shoulder. Concentrate on your neck. Concentrate on your right hand, the forearm, the palm, the fingers. Concentrate on your another hand, the forearm, the palm, the fingers. Concentrate in between your eyebrows. In between your eyebrows. Again, concentrate on your chest. Concentrate on your stomach. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Concentrate on your legs. Right leg, thighs, knees, calf muscles, toes, fingers. Concentrate on your left leg, thighs, knees, calf muscles, toes, fingers. Now again, come back. Concentrate in between your eyebrows. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Now, when you are breathing in, concentrate on your breath. Feel the air when it's going inside. Feel the lungs when it is getting expanded. Feel the stomach when it is getting expanded, that body area. 3 times you breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now, pray God that this examination should bring happiness to you. Pray God, this day should bring happiness to you. Pray God, this day you should study more than the targeted number of hours. This day should be a memorable day of your life. Thank you, God. Thank you for this beautiful body I got. All the organs are working perfectly. Now, slowly open your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Slowly, yeah. Now, use your hands like this, palms like this, fast. Okay, you should feel the heat. Just keep it in your eyes. Okay. Then, this thumb fingers you have to match and keep near your heart, this side, heart. Okay, and pray and start studying. Okay, every day you practice this. It will take you 5 minutes for doing this. Just 5 minutes you do this. Cleanse your body and thought. It will be so effective. You practice, share with others. Thank you so much.